Welcome everyone, I am Hema Date and today's topic is construction of a triangle if base angle and sum of two sides is given. Class 9, subject mathematics, chapter 11, exercise 11.2, question number 1. So let's start. First of all, we'll draw a rough sketch with the given conditions given in the question. So you can see at the right hand side, BC is given 7 centimeter. So I am drawing a line 7 centimeter. B and C are the points and the length is 7 centimeter. Now angle B is given 75 degree. To construct an angle of 75 degree, we'll use compass with center B and with any convenient radius, we'll draw an arc to intersect the side BC. Now with the intersection point on BC as center and radius without changing, we'll cut the arc and we'll cut the same arc one more time. Now we'll draw the angle bisector between both of them. This will give us an angle of 90 degree. This is the construction of for angle 90 degree. So 60 degree and again 60 degree, and the bisector of both of them will give us an angle of 90 degree. But we don't want 90 degree, we want 75 degree. So first of all, we'll complete this 90 degree angle. Okay, so where will be 75 degree angle? 75 degree will be exactly in the middle of 90 degree and 60 degree. So we will construct angle bisector between 60 degree and 90 degree and will get an angle of 75 degree. After joining this point with B, we'll get an angle of 75 degree. We can draw a ray BD . Now we are given the sum of two sides is given 13 centimeters. Now with center B and radius equals to 13 centimeter, we'll cut the ray BD at the point E. There it is not, BC is already 7 centimeter given. So the sum of AB plus AC is given 13 centimeter. Please make correction over there. With B as center and radius equals to the sum of the two given sides means 13 centimeter, we cut an arc on the ray BD. We get a point E. Now we join point E with C. After getting the line segment CE, we draw perpendicular bisector of this line segment. You know the process for perpendicular bisector. With center C and radius more than half of CE, we cut arcs on both sides of CE. Similarly, we repeat the process but with center E. Without changing the radius, we cut both the arcs we have drawn. We get 2 points of intersection of these arcs. We join both the points. This perpendicular bisector is intersecting the line BE at a point. That point is the third vertex of the triangle ABC. Now we join A and C. ABC is the required triangle. Now let's see the justification for our construction. You can see the perpendicular bisector of CE is intersecting it at point M, and we know that there will get right angles. MC is equal to ME because it is a bisector, perpendicular bisector. Now let's see in triangle ACM and triangle AEM. In both the triangles, we see that AM is equal to AM, common side for both the triangles. CM is equal to EM because AM is the perpendicular bisector of CE. And AME is equal to angle AMC, each 90 degree. Therefore, triangle ACM is congruent to triangle AEM. Since the triangles are congruent, by corresponding parts of congruent triangle CPCT, we can say the third side means AE is also equals to AC. AE is also equals to AC. BE is the sum of AB and AE, and AE is also equals to AC, we have proved. So the sum of AB and AC is equals to BE, which was given 13 centimeters in the question. Here we have steps of this construction. Here is the justification for our construction. Thank you for watching my channel. Let us learn with Hema Date. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and happy learning.